How to recover banned TikTok account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover suspended TikTok account or banned TikTok account. If you want to recover your banned TikTok account or suspended account on TikTok, please watch this video to the end. Now you don't have to open your TikTok account. Now you can go to your browser. After you open your browser like this, now go to this search. After you come to this search, go and search for this website wiki like this. Now here is it now. So now I'll just go ahead now and delete the Facebook and type in TikTok like this. Now here is it now. I'll give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. So TikTok, as you can see now, here is it now, wikihow.com/contact-tiktok like this now. So tap on this website. So after you open the website in the comment section of this video, it will take you to this option now. If you now scroll to down, you can be able now to get the official method to report this problem. So scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this link. As you can see now, here it says tiktok.com/legal/report. So tap on this option. So from this option, as you can see, it says report a problem. So here it says tell us about a problem you would like to report. So you can tap on these topics, tap on this option now. So from this option now, you can go ahead and choose this one which says account ban/suspension. So choose this one. After you choose this one, from there you can go ahead now and give them your email address. After you type in your email address like this now you can scroll to down and give them the reason that you think they just give them some information about your account, about your content. Then from there, after you give them all this information, just describe something about your content. Then you can tap on this, as you can see now, submit button, and wait for TikTok to respond to you within 24 hours or 48 hours. That's it, guys, on how to unban TikTok account. If your TikTok account was suspended, you can follow this method to unsuspend your TikTok account or to recover your suspended TikTok account. Hope this information helps you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.